and you're going to have somebody that underwrites the risk and allocates the capital and does the same thing with the lending protocol. I think that you're also going to have a broker and an arbiter on the lending protocol. So if you're participating in a lending pool, they'll have that liquidity and they'll be able to push that out and deploy it in different strategies, and it'll kind of work like an SPV. Pretty confident. And then on the borrow lend feature, if they implement the vaults, they just implemented the zero knowledge proofs the other day on the XRPL, which is super exciting for financial institutions. So things are moving forward on the DeFi side. Our product will differ from that. It will be more of a traditional wrapper. All the things that we're doing are traditional wrappers around XRP. So we worked with RDC last year and we created the ADR, or the American Depository Receipt, to be able to issue a QSIP number against your XRP held at Anchorage, so we can reflect that value with a Fidelity or a Schwab and be able to get a line of margin against it. The LTV on that's not going to be great when we first get it going, but it will be another way that you can deploy the asset to be able to generate returns in the traditional stock market or with laddered treasuries or some other way. There's a couple other things on the vault infrastructure that we're looking to put together in the near future to be able to create an SMA product out of Anchorage. It will definitely be different than the DeFi. However, we've just rolled out, our app that has Uphold in the background. It's powered by Uphold, so we have their Fireblocks instance, and many people are already moving their XRP into that Fireblocks instance, those that have been approved for KYB and are currently up on the platform. Again, give us some grace. They're a bit overwhelmed. I don't think they expected this much volume, which, again, great problem to have. Thank you guys for trusting us and wanting to work with us, but it is going to take a little bit longer than we had anticipated, or really Uphold had anticipated. But all that being said, I think that we'll be able